Track 22. You will listen to the telephonic conversation regarding a hotel booking. Look at the given table and then listen to the conversation and complete the table with suitable information.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to the Carlton Hotel. How can I help you?
We've driven up from London and we are going to stay here for a few days. I'd like to book 2 rooms.
Okay, sir. So for how many nights is that?
We'll be leaving on Monday morning. So let me see. That's 3 nights.
And you said 2 rooms. Who are the rooms for?
I'm here with my wife and 2 kids. They are 9 and 11. Sorry, 9 and 12. The elder one has just had his birthday. So we'd like 1 twin room for the kids and another double for my wife and me.
Okay. Well, we've got 2 rooms available, both en suite.
Great. How much are they per night?
Let me see. The twin room is £100 per night and the double room is £125 per night.
Okay. So what is the total for 3 nights for both the rooms?
Let me check. That will be a total of £675.
And that includes everything?
Yes, the price is inclusive of taxes, breakfast and dinner on all the 3 nights. The checkout time is 12 noon on Tuesday. Children can use swimming pool without charges, but adults will have to pay. There's free Wi-Fi in all the rooms.
Okay. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, sure. You'll need to pay for the first night now, and you can pay for the other nights when you leave. Or you can pay for all the 3 nights now.
Oh, I think I'll just pay for everything now.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just need to take some details from you to confirm the booking. Can you give me your full name?
Yes, it's Gerin Gregory. That's Gregory.
What's your date of birth, please?
15th of October 1968.
5th of October 1968?
No, the 15th.
Oh, okay. And can you give me your address?
Sure. It's 273 Stanton Court. Stanton, London. Postbox 5JB.
5JB.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. The booking has been done in your name. Have a pleasant stay and hope you will enjoy our hospitality.
Listen to the audio one more time to check your answers.